So what's good, guys? It's your boy again, Kelechukwu. Good afternoon from anywhere you're watching this video from, according to the time I'm making this video. Okay, right now, I get to promise myself that anything I'm doing on my charts, I'll just get here to be dropping it. So let's see how we can be learning one or two from it you get. So on 12th, I'll be on 11th. Okay, today is 12th as I'm doing this video. Today is 12th. So on 11th, I enter the trade on GJ. Right, I enter the trade. I woke up so very early, enter the trade. You can see the trade setup. I will display it over on the screen. Right, that one hit TP. So at least now we get to be grow, because the main thing now is to grow the mindset, because we are not here to fight on how to make strategy, because the strategy is already there. It's just to face that fear in the game, because the main thing here in forex is not most times, it's not even about strategy. The main thing is that enemy, because on my previous video I was talking about the enemy that if you conquer today, that it will keep hitting back. That enemy is the psychology behind trading. That's the overall in the trading space, right? So I'll just get to my previous videos. I get to be doing most times, even though I don't hit CP on those trades, I'll come here to say see how this trade go. I didn't even have to hit, I didn't even hit CP, I hope out early. So you could learn from my own mistake to get. So anyhow we are improving, I will still come here and be dropping it. So we get to be improving together, I guess. So this trade right now, you can see the JPY trade. See, I entered it. You can see this trade was this is where you get to see that market. This market most time, it's not even most time. This market will test you. Like when I mean market to test you, it will test you in the sense that it will look as if say you don't even know what you are doing. I swear, it will look as if you don't even know what you are doing. So you can see after price has dropped, reversing back again, even to after it has been on good profit to like over like 20 something pips in profit, it reversed back again towards my entry point. But the only reason why I held that trade and I was still optimistic holding that trade was one reason, and it's candlestick, right? Candlestick plays a vital role in this game. So get to read more about candlestick. So candlestick I saw there was a very bearish engulfing candlestick, right? A very strong bearish engulfing candle, right? Even from the 4 hours time frame, right? So over from the 4 hours time frame, I got there. The 4 hours closed, and the 4 hours just closed. I was like, nice. So when the new candle opened, if you see how this candle was, I didn't do a video on that one. You get, that one was flashing up, like going back to the intro. I was like, what is this guy playing around here? Let this guy just go and come back. And there was news by 8 a.m. There was a great British pounds news. There was pounds news coming in by 8 a.m. That was 11th, right? 11th November 2025. So there was news. So I said, okay, if this thing should happen, then it should happen during the news. The news will drop it. I just dropped my phone. At some point, I just saw, okay, the 1 hour is already melting in. As the news flash, I'm even up from my phone, because most times this thing happens to us more when we are attached on that trade. Imagine me now saying, as news they come in now, I just rush, close this trade, all those kind of things. I don't know if you get. So that's just, I just say, okay, let me just leave this thing. Anything that will happen. That's the market for you. Anything that will happen. So what I did was just, I left it. I said, our price just did this thing and boom to the smash TP. I will say, okay, nice. Today being 12th, I said, okay, I checked GBP JPY. I didn't see setup there, because previously I've not been looking at gold like that, but sometimes once I do look at gold. So today I just check out gold again. Man, I saw opportunity there. I have to face the fear, because it's been very long time I've not traded gold. I had to face that fear. I entered this trade, bro. So I entered it. You can see how it's going. At some point I left it, went back. Something that has been in profit of about 200 and something, reversed back again to like 90 something. That's the thing. I was like, okay. Instead of me now, what I asked myself, instead of me now to rush out from this trade, the next thing I should be doing is looking out to see a zone over there, to spot opportunity to maximize this trade. Because already I've known that, okay, gold is already on a series of higher highs and higher lows, right? As it's creating that series of higher highs and higher lows, so you get to see that gold is still on a bullish trend. So I have to maximize that. I have to say, okay, as I've break even on the first one, as I've break even on the first trade, I've already readjusted my stop loss and break even over there. So I have to enter that one again with same lot size, you get. So you can see how it's playing out. Even at some point it played around with us. You can see something that entered like four something, started reversing back to 3 something. So you can see, but it's still a good day, Sha. It's still a good day. It's still a great day. I thank God for that. That's just it. So as a trader, you are just keep showing up, no matter what. Most times right now, I don't even force trades. I don't force trades. Anything that market gives me, I take. Another thing is, don't say that this is what I want the market should do. Remove that mindset, because this thing most times destroy us that are traders. Even after your mentorship, you get to learn. Learning is in the sense that backtesting helps, because even before I traded gold, I remember the first day I traded gold within last week, I first backtested gold because it's been like a couple of 2-3 months I've not even gone to that pair. So I have to just backtest it to get. So all these things helps. So even though you can see, even this trade safe, I didn't even hold it to my take profit on this gold, but it has done me like 1:2. So it's a very reasonable thing to hope out from the trade. So there is not too much there. So it's cool. I thank God for that and everything. To God be the glory. That's just it. So stay tuned. I'll just be dropping more updates about trade setups. The prop firm, you can see I am trading a prop firm. The prop firm I use is 10 trades. These guys are good. Get last 2 days, was it on 12th, I placed the payout on one of our account I'm trading. I'll just display it over on this screen right now so you get to see it on. I think it was it on, okay, today is 12th. On 10th, yes, on 10th I placed the payout. You can see I'm just placing it over on this screen. So these guys are fast. I could not even believe that they were fast to this extent. You get? They are fast to this extent. I'm very glad. So their payout are very sharp and they are fast. So that's just it. You can see my payout. So it's nice. So you get to train, you can see my screen and my link over there. You can sign up with my link. If you want to ask me a question, you can actually chat me up on my Instagram handle. I displayed on the description of my bio. Just check my bio, you'll see it. So that's just it. Just make sure you leave a like, subscribe. So I'll get to be dropping more amazing content here. Okay? So you get to be learning 1 or 2 from it, because here in this forex industry, man, it's a one-man game, but in that one-man game, get to learn more, and not just learning more. Learning also never stops here. It's not a rich quick scheme, because you can lose and lose and lose. But so far you are still showing up and trying to do the right thing, man. Things will be clicking up. That's just it. So I wish us the very best. And any question you have to ask me about these guys, you can actually chat me up. So I'll get to answer each and every one of you. Or type it over in the comment section. I'm over there to respond to each and every one of you. Stay blessed.